Now, the Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Good morning, everyone. A low pressure system to our south for today is going to lift northward, and it will bring a lot of moisture with it. So we are looking at widespread rain, not just today, but that will continue through the overnight tonight and even into the early morning hours on Saturday. That will pose some flooding concerns as we look ahead. A lot of rain in that period of time could lead to some areas of flooding throughout this weekend. But followed by that, there is some drier air set to move in for the second half of the day on Saturday, and Sunday does look dry at this point, but we have to get through today and all the rain that is moving in right now. Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker shows us that we have some pockets of moderate rain moving into the KZ area and between KZ and Marshall over in Illinois. This spans all along the I-70 corridor, moving into southern Vigo County now, all along that Indiana-Illinois border. More widespread rain, again, mainly contained back to our west at this point, from Watson to Effingham down to Noble and Flora, picking up on some of that moderate rainfall out there this morning. Again, widespread rain is going to be the name of the game for today. Pretty saturated way to wrap up our week. Temperatures, though, they actually stay pretty consistent. Most of us are in the mid to upper 40s out there right now. That's where I expect us to be during that 8 o'clock hour. Rebounding back to 49 at lunchtime today and eventually near 55 degrees. So it's not going to be as warm as compared to the last few days. We got really lucky. Wednesday and Thursday were just fantastic. Hopefully you were able to get out and enjoy those days, because today it's going to be a completely different picture. Here's a look at that low pressure center that is just to our south. As it lifts northward, you can see it picked up a lot of Gulf moisture. This is going to surge northward into the valley. So all of this rain that's still to the south lifting in our direction. So I do expect this rain to continue, again, not just today, but even through the evening and overnight tonight. Futurecast beginning at 6 o'clock this morning shows us how this rain will continue to spread its way eastward as we head through the morning hours. Here's noon today. Getting a bit of a break in the afternoon, late afternoon by about 5 p.m. But check out what's going to happen after that. This rain fills right back in. A lot of green showing up on the radar through the evening and even through the overnight tonight, putting us into early Saturday. Here's 7 a.m. before this rain event starts to wrap up right around lunchtime on Saturday. So this is going to be a pretty long event here, bringing in rainfall potential numbers that will be quite impressive as we head through the course of the day today and again tonight. That's when that heavy rain does look to be possible. Going through the day today, rainfall potential is going to be highest across southern portions of the valley, where we could pick up in excess of 2, possibly 2.5 inches. Places like Vincennes, Lagodi, Olney, 2.3 inches possible as we head through early Saturday, right around that 1-inch mark here in Terre Haute. And because of those impressive rainfall numbers, the National Weather Service has already put out a flood watch for areas south of I-70. That will begin at 8 o'clock this morning, lasting through Saturday afternoon. And you see these brighter green colors along our rivers. That is an ongoing flood warning, with those river stages continuing to rise. Forecast highs for today, 55 here in Terre Haute, dropping back to 45 for tonight. Again, picking Futurecast back up around lunchtime tomorrow. You'll quickly see that sky clears out for the second half of our Saturday, and then putting us into Sunday. Everything seems pretty quiet here. We will be looking for a cloud in the sky. It'll be hard to find as plenty of sunshine returns for the second half of our weekend. So looking ahead, the forecast just drastically improves Saturday into Sunday. Your forecast for today, near 55, rain showers likely. Watch out for those flooded areas, ponding, especially areas south of I-70. Rain exits early Saturday, sunny on Sunday. Temperatures warm back up to 63 by next Monday.